Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing Laplace transform, first shifting property, problem number 3. Welcome back friends. Let's discuss the third example on first shifting property. So this example is cos ht into cos 2t. Before going ahead, let me discuss a very important point which is written here, and this is a note and a must remember note. Whenever you get a question of Laplace transform, the first thing that should come in your mind is this note. Before applying anything, first thing, after looking the problem that the problem belongs to Laplace transform, the first thing that should come in your mind is this note. And what is that note? Always convert hyperbolic into exponential. What does that mean? So let's discuss that. So whenever you get sin hax, it will be e raised to ax minus e raised to minus ax upon 2, and whenever you get cos hax, it will be e raised to ax plus e raised to minus ax upon 2. Always convert hyperbolic into exponential. This is your hyperbolic term, you convert it into exponential. So this should be your first step. And see what is the formula. Here with h we have ax. This ax will become, this ax will come here, see here. So let me give an example. Let's say you have sin h2x. So here we have 2x. So with exponential, it will be 2x. And the same way, let us move on and let us discuss few more examples. So in case of sine, it will be minus, and it can, in case of cos, it will be plus. If you have cos, let's say h3x, it will be e raised to 3x plus e raised to minus 3x upon 2. Always convert hyperbolic into exponential. This is the note, and very important note. First thing that should come in your mind is this note. So let us move on with this knowledge. Here friends, I want to find Laplace of these two terms. Suppose there is plus or minus in between. Suppose, let's say the question is like this. Find Laplace of cos ht plus cos 2t. Suppose this is the case. So what it would be? Very simple. You can separate Laplace. So this can be written as Laplace of cos ht plus Laplace of cos 2t. And we know the formula of cos ht. What is that? S upon s square minus 1. If it is h in the denominator, it will be minus. So this is the basic formula of Laplace. And what is Laplace of cos 2t? S upon s square plus 4. It's very simple. But the problem is, here in between two terms there should be plus or minus, then only you can separate. But here the problem is these two terms are separated with multiplication. So if they are separated by multiplication, you cannot simply write it down as Laplace of cos ht into Laplace of cos 2t. You cannot write it down. Similar problem we faced in type number 1 when the problem was sin t cos 2t. So what we did? Sin t into cos 2t. So we separated, we converted that multiplication into plus or minus by applying the formula. The same way here, exponential term, hyperbolic term is with the trigonometric term. If this is the case, you're gonna apply the note. And what is the note saying? Always convert hyperbolic into exponential. So this will be, see here, if it is ax, here it is ax. Here with h, whatever with h, that will become power of e. So with h here we have t, so it will be e raised to t plus e raised to minus t upon 2 into cos 2t. What next? Remember, whenever we get hyperbolic term, we'll convert into exponential term. And whenever you do that, whenever you perform this particular step, always take 1 upon 2 outside, fixed. Always, always. This is the procedure. If you follow this, you can easily solve the problems. What I said, whenever we convert hyperbolic into exponential, the next step is take 1 by 2 outside, fix, always. So this 1 upon 2 is outside, and we have e raised to t plus e raised to minus t into cos 2t. What next? Multiply, open the brackets. So this will be 1 upon 2 e raised to t into this plus e raised to minus t into this. What next? So this is my given f of t. Now what? If you observe these two terms, here we need to find out the Laplace of cos 2t and because of this e raised to t fsp, s will be shifted by, here it is plus 1, s will be shifted by minus 1. Here cos 2t Laplace I am going to find it out, and here it is minus 1, so s will be shifted by plus 1. So see here what I am doing. Take LT and apply FSP. Take LT and apply FSP. So Laplace of f of t means our required function or given function basically, is equal to 1 upon 2. Let us find it out Laplace of this particular term. You can see this is your FSP, exponential multiplied with function. Forget about it. You are left with what? Cos 2t. What is Laplace of cos 2t? S upon s square plus 4, right? And due to this e raised to t, s will be shifted by minus 1. Here it is e raised to t, so s will be shifted by minus 1 plus. What about this term? Forget about this FSP. Cos 2t. What is Laplace of cos 2t? S upon s square plus 4. Here we have minus t. That means minus 1. So s will be shifted by plus 1. That's it. So this is the way we gonna solve all the problems in which hyperbolic is involved. Hyperbolic multiplication with trigonometric. This is the procedure. We'll always convert hyperbolic into exponential, and as soon as we do that, 1 upon 2 is outside. So this is the way we're gonna solve the problem. Is this clear? So we're done with third problem. In the next videos, in the next video also, we'll be discussing problems based on hyperbolic function. Thank you.